All right, before I take this off the supports, I just wanted to show the angle. Because this is a pretty good print. I do have a bit of a Z shift right here, but that's very minor. And it continues here. I think this is sandable, fillable, and I can get rid of that. The character line here still shows really well. Character line here shows really well. Print quality still needs wash just a little bit, but I don't have any print lines. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a bucket of hot water and let it soften up all the supports, and then I'll pull it off the supports. Since it's been in the hot water, the supports come off super easy. Just work your way around. Last thing you want to do right now is get in a hurry and rip it, break something, and then it's just wasted. So take your time. Oh, nice and easy. It's a little worrisome right here where it's real close to the build plate because these are tough. So I'll take extra care with those. Yeah, they're coming right off. Dunk it again. Just like that. All right, I'll let this dry and we'll see you at the workbench. Like I said, it took a few times to try it. This first print had a Z shift right here. Now that's fixable, but not something that I really want to deal with. Same thing here, a little deeper. Second attempt, I had a failure. Don't know what happened, but the Z shift is still there just a little bit, but much, much better than the first time. The nice character lines, pretty smooth. This would all sand right out, except for that. That's and actually the hood is missing a piece too, so this is junk. But the third attempt came out really, really nice. There's a bit of a Z shift here, but I think that that's fixable. Just putty below, you know, and above, sort of taper it all out because it's low. So yeah, I think that's fixable. Other side, none at all. Yeah, this is really nice. Nice and smooth. Yeah, this is a good print. Let's take a look at the rest of the pieces. So here's the whole kit minus the exhaust. I had a failure last night and didn't get a chance to print it again. But we have body with the hood, which we'll test fit that. It's a good fit. It's a little tight, which is okay. We can sand to make that fit well. Front grille is actually a nice fit too. Look at that. Interior wise, we have our back seat, our front seats, beautiful dash. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Look at the details of this dash. Really, really nice. Nice and sharp. Door panel. Really, really nice. Choice of steering wheels. So we have this one, and we have this one. So nice choice of steering wheels. I'm not going to show you every single piece, but yeah, really, really nice detail. He did a good job in designing this one. Center console has a shifter in it. Lately, Andrey has been doing the same sort of generic chassis. It has a separate gas tank. Rear suspension's kind of basic, and it has holes for pins, so you can print your own rivets, make that all work in there. The front suspension has pins as well. There's a shock in there, spring. Yeah, everything's ready to be pinned. There's a steering bar. It's pinned as well. Engine, beautiful. Look at this. Look at the carb detail. I printed the whole engine as one piece because I like to do it that way. Rather than assembly. Sometimes when you do the assembly, then the flat pieces aren't exactly flat. So you can drill out that distributor, put some wires in there. Really nice block detail. There are grooves here. I thought this was kind of interesting. The air conditioning unit. It's all one piece like this. Headers are real nice. I don't think it came with headers from the factory, but you know, headers are always kind of cool. What else do we got? We got some nice rally wheels. And sort of nondescript tires. Forgive the different colors of resin. I was kind of using up everything that I had left over. Let's check the bumper fit. Yeah, that's a good fit. That's a really good fit. Even with an indent in the middle there. Kind of stays in place. Let's try the back. Looks like there's some tabs. This may need just a little bit of work. Straighten that out. It's a little bit warped, but no big deal. A little heat right in the center. It'll pull it right down. That'll be just fine. Now, Andrey sent me the files to print this Can Am out. Thank you, Andrey. I highly recommend Andrey's files. I have quite a few of them. They build to nice basic models. They're not too overly detailed, but you know, if you paint them up, put some windows in them, they look like model cars. So I think they're about 20 bucks on Cults, but in the first week that he releases a new file, they're half price, so 10 bucks. So it's a deal to get a model kit for 10 bucks. It takes about half a bottle of resin to print the whole kit. So you're at about 15 bucks there. So for 25 bucks, yeah, that's quite a deal. Thank you for watching, everyone, and we will see you in the next video. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.